The app that we'll be going through today is called Memrise. I had a buddy show me this app about 3 months ago, and he was learning Spanish on it, so I decided to check it out, and it ended up having a lot more than just languages on it. The way this app works is basically it just kind of quizzes you repeatedly on something until you reach a level of mastery on certain aspects of that subject. When looking for this app, you might see the hexagon multicolor, or you might also see this logo. Once you get into the app, it's going to show you all your languages here, which is kind of the feature of Memrise. It's definitely proud of the language learning, but also you're going to see other topics to the right of that. Once you're in the other topics, you're going to see this list. I personally went to the natural world, which is right here. Being an earth science major, I decided to choose mineral identification so that I actually knew what I was doing. Once you get into mineral identification, you're going to be shown some minerals and you're going to be shown the definitions. It usually keeps it down to about 2 or 3. It keeps it simple, and then it'll start quizzing you on it afterward. So like I said, it keeps it pretty simple. In the first 2 slides it shows you gold and then silver, and then it repeatedly prompts you to choose between the 2, and it does give you these 4 options, but you've only been shown 2 at this point. It'll do this about 10 times per mineral to make sure that you've really understood what the mineral looks like. Once you've mastered a few, it starts throwing some other minerals in that are a little bit more difficult to identify. Once you've partially mastered some of them, it'll start mixing in different varieties of how to present the questions, and also mix in a lot of different minerals. And here you'll see, instead of just 4, now I have 6 options. So as you progress, it makes it a little bit harder. Now let's leave mineral identification for a second just to check out what this app has to offer other than that. What you'll see over here is we're at the Learn tab, and here in the top left it shows you everything that you've worked on and how far you progressed within that. You also see on the bottom tabs the leaderboard, which shows you your weekly score, and if you have friends that play, it'll show them too. Down here we have Pro, which is something you would click if you wanted to pay for stuff, which nobody does, and then you have Settings. So overall, Memrise has a lot of options, even if you're not interested in learning the languages on here, which I think is enticing for any teacher because learning Spanish would only benefit us. But with all their other options, there's really no reason not to at least try it.